how to use CAN inspection to get help from the manufacturer when you are stuck in a repair. Now I will show you. Let's go. Okay, let's do it. The CAN inspection is in here. The more, it has some additional function here. Okay, click and click the CAN inspection. Click start. For here, you need to choose the CAN length. Now we can choose the 6 and the 14. Okay. Now it's inspecting the CAN data here. We need to wait for 2 minutes. And here we need to fulfill the 3 information: the car make, the model, and the remark here. Okay, finished, and then click submit. Okay, finished, and then we can click the records here. And you can see we just uploaded the information here. And you can click the upload the information to our service providers or dealers. Then they will use the information you send to understand your diagnostic data. Also, they will provide you with specific solutions to the problems and to solve some after-sale issues. So if you have any after-sale problems, just use this function. It's very convenient.